If somebody would like to rent a trailer from us, typically they call us, we give them a quote over the phone. If they'd like to move forward, we send them a credit application to set them up an account, and we get a certificate of insurance from them. Typically that can be done within a couple hours, so if they need a trailer same day, it's the majority of the time achievable. When a customer rents a trailer, typically they like us to deliver them, though they can pick them up themselves. We charge $150 for the Kansas City metro area to bring you the trailer. Sometimes our customers need additional moves, so maybe they load that trailer and they want it moved to their parking lot, another one brought to the dock door. If that's the case, we charge $150 an hour to that customer. We can offer services across town, so maybe they load that trailer, we move it across town to another warehouse. Really, the sky's the limit, but we can rent our driver to our customer to achieve whatever they need done. If a customer's finished using a trailer, typically an email, a phone call, really any form of communication would suffice. We get it on our driver's schedule, and I'd say typically we can get to it next day. If it's gonna be any longer than that, we usually make a concession for the customer and say, hey, we'll take it off rent on this day, but we're not gonna be able to get there until a couple days from now. Once a customer turns in the trailer, we assess it for damages and make the customer aware of whatever we find. So typically that's done in the form of pictures. We'll send the customers some pictures of what we find damaged, and we'll get them an estimate on that damage. The trailer stays on rent to the customer until that damage is fixed. So they can either pay the estimate and the trailer will be taken off rent, or it will stay on rent until it's actually repaired.